Okay, so hi. I'm doing this thing and I'm so excited, and you can already tell what's gonna happen because the title. But I'm also like, I've spent thousands of dollars on my hair, and now to shave some of it off, it's a bit, I'm just gonna go into it and enjoy. Like, that's gonna be gone. That's insane.
Are you sure?
Right here. Am I sure what?
That you want
I mean, like,
me to shave your head off?
yeah. Yes,
Off
I want
all
you
the
to,
way.
I want you to shave my whole head off. It's gonna look good now, but like when you start to like,
keep it up.
yeah, because
I'm worried about the grow back
the grow
time.
back It's gonna be time awful.
When you decide you
compared
don't want
to
it anymore.
your hair. Yeah. Alright, so what are you doing, Leah?
I'm gonna cut her hair off.
Perfect. Shave my whole head off.
Yeah. Oh, I'm really bad at parting.
That sounds great.
I would be shitting my pants if I was you.
I'm excited. I have one.
You only have one?
That's actually a lot of your hair.
Yeah. You have to
Jesus.
check.
I'm so excited.
I'm glad you're excited.
I'm so
I would be
excited.
shitting my pants.
Are you sure? Is that good? Right there? All the way up to
I
here?
can't even see.
You have the piece over?
Yeah, I'm trying to get it so it's like
Sorry.
semi-straight. As long as she doesn't shave off like an eyebrow.
I think that'd be interesting.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my god, I think you should actually just keep it like that. I think you should keep it like that.
She imagine this all the way around.
Oh my goodness. It actually reminds me of like a 90s like haircut. Like if you were to do that all the way around.
Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god.
I think it looks fucking good.
Like a tattoo place.
Yeah, it does sound like a tattoo place.
Ready? Such a good book. It's on blanket now.
That's okay.
No, I already can tell. I already like know that it's gonna look good. Like I can
I
just.
don't think it's gonna look bad. I would poop myself.
I'm excited. I'm so excited. It feels so weird.
Ah, cut it.
You definitely look way more badass.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Anybody want my hair? Sounds so scary. Especially right by my ear.
That wasn't attached.
Does my eyebrow.
Sorry.
you imagine if I was just like, okay, now the rest of the hair.
Hi, Mikey.
Michael. Michael.
Hi, Mix.
Hey. I tickled. This hair up my nose.
Oh, you're going shorter.
No, no.
Oh, you're not. Okay.
I'm just trying to fix it. I mean, Sarah
Even it?
wants it shorter.
I mean,
Because it's like short, but it's not like completely shaved.
no, that's okay.
I don't know how people do the cool design.
They take this without a guard on it.
Ooh, sketchy. Literally, Mike is just sitting there looking at you guys.
Like, what the hell are you guys doing?
Okay, I think I'm satisfied. You have to tell me now.
I love it.
Fuzzy wuzzy.
Yeah, I like it. What happened?
All right, let your hair down.
Oh yeah. Ta-da! Yay!
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah, thank
Could you
God.
imagine? Oh no, I hate it. That's so fun.
It is fun.
Hi, I like that. That looks really good, especially with like your hair, like how it's like waved out like that.
Yay.
Well done, Leah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Leah.
You're welcome.